everybody. I hope that you're still having a wonderful day. This time I have my big old head down in the corner because I want to focus on these beautiful digital papers. So very quickly, I am going to share them with you. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. I really do appreciate all of the support and all of the love that you show to me and my channel each and every day. I'm not going to take up much of your time, but I wanted to share the latest digital paper pack with you. This one I'm calling Mint and Orange because it is the most beautiful shades of mint and orange. I'm going to walk you through it. There are 10 pages, 8.5 by 11 each page. And I have printed this on 48-pound koala paper. I'll have that paper type listed in the description box below. But y'all, look at this beautiful, beautiful print. It is a very large graphic page. And then we have this beautiful graphic page that is overlaid on this wonderfully striped and scripted background. Then we have this page, flower pots and flowers galore, overlaid on top of mint. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one, I think this one might be my favorite in this pack. I love the large polka dots, but then I love the flower sprays just shooting out. So then we go into our background pages. We have this beautiful mint, a pale salmon orangey polka dot page. Then we have that striped page that has the script on it. Y'all, these are just so gorgeous. To see them in person, you would go, wow. And then we have the card page. Then we have our beautiful sentiment and embellishment page. I went with a happy theme this time. And to keep in line with that theme, I have this absolutely gorgeous cut apart page that I think you are going to love. So y'all, this is now available on my website. I have the link in the description box below. I also have my August paper crafting kit on sale, as well as some mystery boxes. So today is a day full of new things on my website. So I hope that if you want, you can hop out there and take advantage of some of these goodies. So thank you again for giving me some more time in your day. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.